Today we're going to talk about all of the storage location and power outlets in your new Macan electric. The first thing we'd like to talk about here is our cell phone charging compartment. You push forward to open. You can take your cell phone and you put it in sideways for wireless charging. Push forward to close. You also have 3 outlets down here under the center console. 2 are USB-C and 1 is a 12-volt socket. You also have a cable pass-through and a cable clip here. You can run the cable through this particular hole and the clip will hold it here in the smartphone compartment. Now we also have our 2 drink holders here in the center console. We also have storage here in our armrest compartment. In addition to that, we have storage in the doors. Now there are 2 different pockets in the doors. There's one for your water bottle and one for your cell phone there in the side. The new Macan electric comes equipped with a glove compartment key. You can remove the key, lock the glove compartment, and carry the key with you. Here we are in the back seat, and there are a few storage locations and a charging location back here as well. The first one is the back of the seat. You have a nice little storage location here, which would work great for a phone or a magazine. We also have some storage here in the armrest. You can pull that down. You can store your favorite drink here. You can transition also down here to our center console in the rear. We have 2 USB-C ports back here. You also have a water bottle holder here in the door. Okay, we're here in the rear of the vehicle. To open the trunk on the Macan 4, you can use this button or a foot gesture to open. For this video, we're gonna press the button. And here you have quite a bit of storage in the back of the Macan electric. Now there's a little bit of storage here on the left-hand side. There's also kind of a mirroring compartment on the right-hand side. You also have a power socket here. If you do not have the optionally equipped 115-volt socket, you'll have a 12-volt socket there. You also have your charging equipment here in the bag. This comes with every Macan electric. You also have this storage compartment here in the bottom for small storage here as well. And there you can see our Bose sound system. You also can lay down the seats if you have something larger. All you need to do is pull this lever, which is really, really nice. If you're putting in something nice and long from the back seat, you can also pull down the other side as well by pulling this lever. Now, say for instance, if you want to push something through the middle, like a pair of skis or something along these lines, you can actually open only the center compartment, but you need to do that from the back seat. A couple of other features here in the trunk are these storage straps. It's really nice if you want to pull something to the side and secure it. Also, if you're loading something very, very heavy, we've got these 2 buttons here because air suspension is standard for Macan. You can actually lower the level of the vehicle to make it easier to put large or heavy objects in. If you need to remove the storage compartment lid, it's very easy. All you need to do is lift up and push up on this connector until you can take the connector off. Same thing for the passenger side. Push up and then take off. And if you look here on the bottom, there's a little track that it slides along, and all you do is pull that out. All right, now we'll close and head to the front of the vehicle. There are a couple different ways to open the front trunk. One is with the key fob. You just hit the button, or if you have it turned on in the vehicle, you can use a hand gesture here as well. Put this up in the front. There's a nice little bit of space there. To close, you pull down until you hear it latch. Take your hand and put it just below the crest and push down. You now can use all the storage locations and power outlets in your new Macan electric.